I am M.K. Gupta, Chairman and Managing Director of GKB High Tech Lenses Limited in Goa. This is our residence where we have installed this lift, and myself and my wife live here. Our children, they keep on visiting us. Daily life is good enough. We have a big house, so it is convenient for us to go and check what is happening in the first floor with the lift, and particularly even my wife and other people. We find that it is quite a safe elevator, and it has its own designs which makes it unique. Our first and foremost importance to put up an elevator was nobody should disturb the aesthetic of our house. No digging, nothing. So we found that this is the most suitable. Also, we have a round stairs. So in between that, there was enough space which made this elevator fit as if it was made for this space. It's very good, and the design is good, and we find it complementing our interior. Whosoever comes to our house, stays with us, or just comes to visit us, whenever they see this elevator, they find it very convenient and good to use. Since last 1.5 to 2 years, this has been installed. We have not found any problem. We feel happy and convenient. Whosoever visited us, they liked the lift, and who were willing to have a lift in their house because of the young children, or because of small children, or elderly people. So it was good impression of everybody when they saw the elevator. I would say that it is a convenient equipment to install, and if only 1 or 2 people at a time have to go into the lift and not many heavy luggage has to go into the lift, this is the most convenient thing.